Hello everyone, I'm glad to present you the FanFan Excel add-in. The FanFan Excel add-in allows you to code JavaScript in Excel. Thus, you could bring the power of JavaScript to your Excel worksheets for data visualization and analytics. For example, with rich libraries in JavaScript, you could build powerful interactive charts, perform machine learning, and make predictions. Let's get started. Under Insert menu of Excel, there is a button Get Add-ins. Click on that. This is the store of Excel add-ins. We look for FanFan add-in. Click Enter. This is the FanFan add-in. Click on this button to add it to your Excel. Agree to the terms and conditions. Continue. Here you see a new menu, FanFan. There are two buttons. We click on the button Code. There is a task pane popping up on the right-hand side. Click on See Recommended FanFans. There are lots of samples. We click on this one. So on the left-hand side, we see the data. On the right-hand side, there is a code editor. And this is the HTML file. This is the JavaScript file. Now we click on the Run button. Here is the chart. So the chart was drawn with the data on the left by the JavaScript code. And now if we modify the data here, the chart is automatically updated. And if we modify the code, for example here, we say dot, and they are not bars anymore, they are dots now. The code to draw this 3D chart is short, it's less than 50 lines, because we leverage a library called vis.js in JavaScript. This is how you code in JavaScript to undertake data visualization in Excel by FanFan. Besides visualization, we could also undertake data analysis and write results to worksheets. For example, in this sample, the JavaScript code on the right-hand side trains a decision model from the training data of thousands of rows on the left. Then, given a precise class setting, the model could predict if the market would accept this class setting or not, and writes the result to the worksheet. This JavaScript code uses ConvNet.js, which is a JavaScript library for training deep learning models, neural networks, so you could indeed undertake machine learning inside Excel by FanFan. There are lots of samples of visualization or analytics you could modify and save as your own version. You could of course start a new code and save it in your workspace. Not only you could develop a FanFan code inside your Excel, but also there is a website outside Excel where you could program. The website is fanfan.io, and it points to the same codebase as the FanFan add-in. You have access to the samples as well as your own workspace. And there is an online editor with a data grid where you could code and save. So a common use case of FanFan is that people make a solution in the browser outside Excel, then load it inside Excel by the FanFan add-in. For example here, a user asked how to draw a complex multiple-axis line chart in Excel. Then another user provided a solution of FanFan where people could check and work on it in a browser. Then the asker could directly load the link in the FanFan add-in, use it, and save it to his workspace, etc. We started to develop FanFan in 2016. The first version of the FanFan add-in was published in Microsoft Store of Office add-ins in September 2017. Today, there are lots of people using it for complex visualization and analytics in Excel. Go check it out.